Legumes. Legumes are an excellent addition to a senior's diet, offering a variety of health benefits that support overall well-being. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are particularly rich in protein and fiber, making them a fantastic source of nutrition. The high protein content helps maintain muscle mass, which is crucial for seniors, while the fiber aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. One of the standout benefits of legumes is their ability to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. The fiber in these foods slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This is especially important for seniors who may be managing diabetes or prediabetes. Incorporating legumes into meals is simple and delicious. Try a chickpea salad with diced vegetables, olive oil, and lemon juice for a quick and nutritious lunch. Lentil soup is another comforting option that can be made in large batches and enjoyed throughout the week. Black beans can be added to tacos or mixed into a hearty chili for a satisfying dinner. With these easy recipes, seniors can enjoy the numerous health benefits of legumes while savoring flavorful and nutritious meals. Dairy or dairy alternatives. Dairy products and their alternatives are crucial to seniors' nutrition, providing essential nutrients that support overall health. Foods like yogurt, cheese, and fortified plant milk are rich in calcium and vitamin D, vital for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Calcium helps build and maintain bone density, while vitamin D enhances calcium absorption, making these nutrients a powerful duo for bone health. Dairy and dairy alternatives support bone health and contribute to muscle maintenance. The protein found in these foods is essential for preserving muscle mass, which can decline with age. This is especially important for seniors looking to stay active and independent. There are many delicious ways to incorporate dairy products into meals. Start your day with a bowl of yogurt topped with fresh fruits and nuts for a nutritious breakfast. For extra flavor and protein, cheese can be added to salads, sandwiches, or omelets. Try fortified plant milks like almond or soy milk in smoothies or cereals for a refreshing drink. By including dairy or dairy alternatives in their diet, seniors can enjoy tasty meals while reaping the benefits of essential nutrients for their health. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious and versatile food that offers numerous health benefits for seniors. Rich in vitamins A and C and fiber, sweet potatoes are an excellent addition to any diet. The high vitamin A content, derived from beta-carotene, is particularly beneficial for eye health, helping to prevent age-related vision problems such as macular degeneration. Additionally, vitamin C supports immune function, which is crucial for seniors as they may be more susceptible to infections and illnesses. The fiber found in sweet potatoes aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels, promoting overall gut health. This can be especially important for seniors who may experience digestive issues. Incorporating sweet potatoes into meals is easy and delicious. They can be baked, mashed, or roasted, making them a versatile side dish. Add roasted sweet potatoes to salads for a lovely and nutritious twist, or blend them into soups for added creaminess. Sweet potato fries are a fun and healthier alternative to regular fries, and they can be seasoned to taste. Seniors can enjoy tasty food by including sweet potatoes in their diet, while reaping the many health benefits they offer. We explored the essential foods that can significantly enhance the health and well-being of seniors. We discussed the importance of incorporating leafy greens, berries, whole grains, fatty fish, nuts and seeds, legumes, dairy or dairy alternatives, and sweet potatoes into their diets. Each food group offers unique nutritional benefits, from supporting heart health and cognitive function to promoting strong bones and healthy digestion. By making healthier food choices, seniors can improve their quality of life, maintain their independence, and enjoy their golden years to the fullest.